The Best in Heritage, a global program featuring award-winning museum, heritage and conservation projects. From late May to early October 2023, join us for the 22nd annual The Best in Heritage, featuring 42 award-winning projects from 6 continents. Our video interviews provide in-depth analysis of best practices, exclusive insight, and a behind-the-scenes look into the work of acclaimed experts. Project representatives are interviewed by leaders and innovators in the cultural heritage field to offer insight into the awarded achievements and keys of their success. Our hard-working interviewers will also serve as the Project of Influence recognition jury. This year they are Sarah de Young from the Metropolitan Museum of Art, Hung Si Chow from the World Monuments Fund, Tanya Nelson from the Arts Council England, Kevin McLean from the Galt Museum and Archives, Michael Epstein from Walking Cinema, and Peter Pavement from Surface Impression. The 2023 keynote will be delivered by our Project of Influence recognition winners from 2022 edition, the Beirut Assist Cultural Heritage Initiative, whose representative, Natalie Shanine, will be joining the 2023 jury as well. The diverse lineup of featured projects in the Imaginaires section, focusing on new tech and multimedia, spans from virtual museum environments serving elderly people, digitization of sculptures and public monuments, video projects engaging young people's creativity, museum narrative about life in the next 50 years, dissemination of conservation skills through game creation, to an exhibition bringing the history of horse racing to life, various immersive audio-visual experiences, and projects bringing art into playful and accessible digital spaces. In the core program, we will learn about projects of reconciliation, about how to turn an old-fashioned institution into a people's centre, an exhibition creating a range of interactive artworks crafted from upcycled materials, how to re-establish an out-of-use distillery into a vibrant industrial heritage site, about an exhibition illuminating the power of truth-telling, a project providing high-quality digitization services for library collections, projects taking the streets using traditional exhibition strategies and audience participation, about an exhibition challenging historical power dynamics through uncomfortable processes, about how archaeological activity can improve health and well-being and foster new social connections. New videos will be released regularly, so be sure to stay up to date with several fresh releases weekly. We recommend subscribing to our YouTube, Twitter and Facebook profiles, and to sign up for our newsletters on the official website, thebestinheritage.com. The simple idea of conveying the most effective and innovative professional and civil society practices in curating and communicating heritage has been both defining and symbolizing the Best in Heritage in-person and virtual editions over the past 2 decades. Engaged in building strong criteria of quality and turning our collective experience into wisdom with the vital help of our main partner, the International Council of Museums, and its leading global role in the professional sector, and through our long-standing partnership with Europa Nostra, the European voice of civil society committed to cultural heritage. The Best in Heritage continues as a unique platform connecting public memory institutions globally.